Hey everyone, Erica from Circle Furniture here. If you're like me, you're a little intimidated by this houseplant movement. I have never been one to be able to keep my houseplants alive. So how do you do that? Well, we went to a local plant shop here in Cambridge to ask them a few questions about how to pick the right plants for your space. And this is key to setting yourself up for success and to have a thriving plant environment in your home.
My name is Lindsey. I'm the owner and founder of Niche. We are an urban plant shop. We cater to people who live in the city and want to have a little indoor garden. Well, I worked at a garden center in high school, so I've been doing this since I was 15. I've done greenhouse work, I've done turf grass work, ecological work, botanical work. I graduated with a master's in landscape architecture and did that for a little while. When people come in looking for a plant, there are sort of two camps that they fall in. The first is they just want to pick a cool plant, which is great. The other is people who have a space that they want to fill, and that's really where we want to get most people, because one of the more critical aspects of choosing a houseplant is knowing the environment that it's going to exist in. There are plants that have a range of light tolerance, a range of watering tolerance. So you can definitely find one that works for you and your situation. It's important to just identify that situation first and bring that information into the plant shop. Any sort of environmental stressors like a drafty door, a drafty window, dogs running past many times throughout the day, high traffic area. These are all things you kind of want to think about before choosing a plant. You also want to consider how much time you have to devote to maintenance. It's important to know yourself and know what your interest level is and how much time you're able to devote to paying attention to this plant. If you're able to come into the shop and say, I have a really bright window and I'd love to have a plant here, or I have a less bright corner but I'd really like something big there, we're able to work with you to find a plant that's going to work for that space. And that is going to support the longevity of that plant and make your life a lot easier.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Do you want to see more about houseplants? Check out our houseplant series. If you want to see more videos on interior design tips, please click subscribe.